Understanding TV Movie, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy for you. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss. We are going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, TV movie. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what a TV movie is, and how to use the phrase correctly in a sentence. So, let's get started. A TV movie is a term used to describe a film that is produced for and first shown on television, rather than being released in cinemas. Unlike regular films, TV movies are usually made with a smaller budget, and they are often shorter in length. They can belong to any genre, including drama, comedy, romance, or action. The production quality of TV movies has increased over the years, and some of them have received critical acclaim and won awards. TV movies have certain characteristics that set them apart from theatrical releases. Here are some key features. Shorter length. TV movies are generally shorter than films released in cinemas. They typically last for about 90 minutes. Lower budget. The budget for TV movies is usually lower, which can affect the quality of special effects, sets, and actor salaries. Made for television. TV movies are specifically made to be broadcasted on television networks. Convenient watching. As they are aired on television, viewers can enjoy these movies from the comfort of their homes without needing to go to a cinema. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples of famous TV movies. 1. High School Musical. This is a popular teen musical that first aired on Disney Channel. It became a huge hit and even had sequels and spin-offs. 2. Duel, directed by Steven Spielberg. This thriller was originally made as a TV movie before gaining fame and being released in cinemas. Now, let's look at how to use TV movie in a sentence. I stayed home last night and watched a TV movie about a heroic dog. My favorite TV movie is a romantic drama that aired during the Christmas season. And that's a wrap on TV movies. We hope this video has helped clarify what a TV movie is and how you can talk about it in English. Remember, a TV movie is a film produced specifically for television, usually with a shorter length and a smaller budget. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in sentences to help reinforce what you've learned today. If you have any questions or need further explanations, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.